Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be covering xTool's last chance sale. My contact from xTool let me know that they're extending their Cyber Monday deal, and they wanted me to let you know about it. If you want to support the channel, there's some affiliate links down below. I'd really appreciate it if you're interested in an xTool. This is going to be their last promotion for a while, it sounds like, from what I was told. So you'll come to this link here in the affiliate link down below, and these are the current deals that are going on. These automatically apply in your cart at checkout. If you scroll down, you'll see all of their machines. This is their top of the line machine. This machine is awesome. It'll ride over warps and curves. And if you're looking to upgrade from a Glowforge, I know a lot of my viewers are Glowforges, this would be a great one to get. Now, if you're wanting to go traveling, this is great for like craft fairs. This little tiny machine is. This one looks super cool. And this one right here, I'm hoping to do a future video on this one here. I'm thinking about getting on my hands on one of these. This is their new S1 laser engraver. It has swappable laser heads, so you can get a 20 watt, a 40 watt, or a 2 watt infrared to do metal or plastic with. So this one has all sorts of options. I hope to make a video on this here soon and share with you guys. Super excited about this one. This one just came out in October too, so this is their brand new one here. You can also do like the automatic pass-through slot and have a riser on this one as well. And then if you need, if you're just starting out and need a more budget-friendly option, you have this open-ended laser here where it doesn't have an enclosure. This is their D1 Pro. Or you've seen a lot of videos from me already about their M1 machine. This is a laser cutter and a vinyl cutter all in one. It comes with both options here built in together. And then lastly, in my Black Friday sale, I showed you these limited time offers. They still have a few of these left. But what I forgot to do is click Shop More here. And you can see all of their accessories. They have a massive amount of accessories on sale right now. You can click through the categories here. But just some of their top ones. You have like your wood and different types of materials, and then your actual water bottles here as well. These are gonna go pretty quickly, I would assume. So if you're looking for accessories, you can check that out too. But other than that, I just want to share this with you guys one last time, and hopefully this saves you some money, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.